Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily wake up your Natec Turbot 2. So first, what you guys want to do is, as you guys can see, the keyboard is not working because it hasn't been used for a couple of seconds. So we're gonna go over, and as you guys can see, here we got the browser, and let me show you, the touchpad is not working. So how to easily wake it up? You guys need to basically press random buttons, and as you guys can see, I am pressing W, A, and S and D, and just by clicking these like that, so WASD, WASD, so this basically wakes up the keyboard. And as you guys can see, now we got the touchpad, it's working. We can swipe down, we can swipe up, and it wasn't working before, but once we clicked random keys, it started waking up. And as you guys can see, let's click Windows, let's type in Notepad, and we can go over Natec Turbot 2, and let's type in HardReset.Info. So as you guys can see, it is working. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.